Hello and welcome to Nick's Allotment Diary. In this video I'll be setting my Sunflower Challenge 2021. It's the 5th year I've held a competition to grow some beautiful sunflowers. This year, as in other years, there'll be 3 categories in the challenge. The first category is to grow the tallest sunflower. In previous years we've had some really tall sunflowers. So do you think you can grow a really big one? The second category is to grow the sunflower with the largest head. Some sunflowers produce large, showy blooms. In previous years this has been a really popular category. So can you grow a sunflower with a really big head? The third category is to grow a multi-headed sunflower with as many flowers in bloom at the same time. Can you grow a really spectacular sunflower? If so, this might be the category for you. For any of the 3 categories of the Sunflower Challenge that you'd like to enter, how you grow your sunflower is up to you. Whether it's on an allotment, in a garden or in a pot, you're free to grow the sunflower how you like. If you're entering the challenge, it'd be great if you use the hashtag Sunflower Challenge 2021 in your video title. That way I'll see your video and I can include it in my channel playlist. If you've already planted your sunflowers, don't worry, just include an update in a future video. If you don't make videos, you can still enter the Sunflower Challenge. Just send some pictures in on my Facebook or Instagram page. I'll include some details in the description below this video. You've got until the 1st of October to enter the challenge, so plenty of time to grow some fantastic sunflowers. I'll make a decision on who I think has won each of the 3 categories, and then I'll award some sunflower related prizes to the winners. I'm now going to show you the sunflowers I'm going to be growing this year. The first one that I'll be planting is this one called Solar Eclipse. Great coloured sunflower, burnt orange colours. Doesn't grow particularly tall, but is a really nice looking sunflower. I've prepared a modular tray with some multi-purpose compost, and the seeds, not very big, they don't need to go too deep, about ½ an inch, a centimetre deep, just so they're covered by the compost. I sow 1 seed per module because plants always seem to do well, and they don't like to be disturbed too much before they're potted on. You can sow 2 seeds per module, then thin out to only leave 1. But I've found that germination on sunflowers is usually pretty reliable. Just label them, know which one are which. The next seed I'm going to use are these sunflowers called Titan. Now these are a large headed sunflower, and I've always had pretty large heads on these before. These are saved seed from a previous year, so hopefully they should still germinate. Large, fatter seeds, these ones. These can go a little bit deeper than the others. There we go. So those are the Titan planted. The next variety that I'm going to attempt to grow is a variety called giraffe. So these are supposed to be a very tall variety of sunflower, can grow up to 17 feet, 5.2 meters. I've never managed to grow anything anywhere near as tall as that, but I'll give these a try this year. The seed, different colours. I'm just going to push them down quite deep, maybe just a little bit deeper than the smaller sized seed, and stick in a little label. The fourth variety that I'm going to grow this year is one I've grown for the last 2 years. Nice red coloured sunflower called Red Sun. Spectacular flowers, so I'll give those a go. Quite small seed, these ones, so again I won't plant these very deep, just about a centimetre, half an inch deep. And label those ones. The last variety I'll be growing this year are some seed from a multi-headed sunflower that I had growing on the allotment a few years ago. So I'm going to try and see if the saved seed from that one comes true as a multi-headed sunflower. The seeds are not very big. I'll just again plant them not too deep and cover them over. Last thing I need to do is just give the seed a little bit of a water, because this compost is a little bit dry. Keep them well watered, and I would try and keep them in the greenhouse frost free. They're plants that don't like to be too cold, and I'll pop them on once they've got a pair of true leaves. There we go, my 5 different varieties of sunflowers planted for the Sunflower Challenge. I hope you'll join me across the world in growing some really beautiful sunflowers this summer. If you're not subscribed to my channel, why not click the subscribe button for notification of future videos. Thanks very much for joining me at Nick's Allotment. I'll see you again next time.